Hello, welcome to Second Grade Rocks. This is a quick tutorial for you to help you figure out how to access our Canvas learning page from home. The first thing that you need to do on whichever device you are using is get yourself to the KPBSD page. Okay? Once you get to the KPBSD page, you are going to scroll down until you see this Canvas icon. Click on that, and it will bring you to your student's dashboard. So your student's dashboard is going to look different than mine. It's likely that the only thing that they will see on their dashboard is this: Learning is Fun, Second Grade Rocks. This is our class. They can click on that and it will bring them to Second Grade Rocks, our class. Once you get there, scroll down and you will see our little welcome sign. Welcome to Second Grade with me, Mrs. Fournier. Next, you will see let me do this. There we go. Next, you're going to see this, which is contact information, my email, the school phone number, my extension, and this Class Dojo logo. I don't have this linked to Class Dojo. I have not figured out a way to do that for you yet. So in the meantime, you can access Class Dojo from your phone or download the app if you don't have it already. This is as you already know, probably, it's my primary means of communication. Beyond that, you'll scroll down to a chart I'm building. It's not complete yet, but I have put the majority of the sites and apps that we use in our class on a regular basis. LexiaCore 5 is a reading program that walks the kids through different sections and teaches them phonics, parts of speech, and a variety of other language components. They all have, from this, they should be able to go directly to their name and their page. If not, let me know and I will see if I can help you figure that out. Then we have Epic, which is an awesome place for kids to just find great reading material. Our class code is listed here. On this page that we're looking at right now, you can see the little hand. So you should be able to link into all of these sites directly. This R is for Renaissance Place, where kids can go in, look up the AR books that they have already read. So it's not a place for them to go and be able to read. It's a place for them to look up the books that they've read that qualify as accelerated readers and go in and take their quizzes to reach their AR goal. This next one, I don't think that you can see the whole thing. I think the screen that you're looking at is too small, but this is iReady Math. Kids can go on here to do assignments that I have given them. They can go on to their learning path, which is based on a diagnostic test that they take 3 times a year. And they can go on and play some of the iReady Math games. The last site that I have put on here for you is called Kiddle. It's an awesome vetted site that's safe for kids, and they can go on and do all kinds of exploration and research about almost any topic. You don't need a code. You just go right on here. It looks like this. You can put what you are interested in into the search bar, and then the kids can have a variety of ways to learn about that. There are articles to read, there are videos to watch. So hopefully you'll find this helpful to get your kids learning at home. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out and I'll see if I can help you. Thanks so much.